Hello friends, welcome to Jawad Sumro Productions. This video is going to be different because I usually upload Adobe InDesign tutorials. This time I decided to make Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. In this quick tutorial, you will know how to render your clips in the timeline, especially when Premiere Pro does not render it. As you can see, I am currently editing my InDesign tutorial in Adobe Premiere Pro. Right now, I am working on hook of the video. These are the clips that I pasted on the timeline. However, check that this part of the timeline is yellow, not red. Premiere Pro usually disregards yellow renders, no matter how many times you send the render instructions. Notice this nested sequence. It contains my 12 thumbnails animation, which makes the rendering on the monitor so slow. Let's play this timeline. I make simplified tutorials on every topic related to Adobe InDesign. That will make you expert in no time. With that being said, let's get into it. You see, the video did not play smoothly. Let's play it again. I make simplified tutorials on every topic related to Adobe InDesign. That will make you expert in no time. With that being said, see how the video is loading so badly. Even if I set the playback resolution to 1/4, the video won't load smoothly. Let's select this nested sequence. Go to sequence, then render sequence. See, the timeline pointer starts from the sequence, but it does not render it at all. Of course, the way video is getting stuck is so irritating. Let's stop this. I am going to show you the best solution. I am going to click on this nested sequence and bring the pointer to its initial point. You need to right click on this timeline over here. Choose Mark In. Now move the pointer to the end of this sequence. Right click on this timeline and then choose Mark Out. See, this part of the timeline has been marked. Now go to sequence. You will notice render selection is grayed out. It's because I had not selected the sequence on the timeline. Don't worry about that. We don't need to select the sequence right now. Just choose render in to out. Why did I choose this? Because whether the timeline is red or yellow, it will render all the timeline. In my case, I marked this part of the timeline. So, the rendering will take place only in that marked area. Obviously, this will take a lot of time. So, I will fast forward this video. The sequence will play automatically after the rendering is done. I make simplified tutorials on every topic related to Adobe InDesign. That will make you expert in no time. See, the video playback was so smooth. Let's play it again on full screen. I make simplified tutorials on every topic related to Adobe InDesign. That will make you expert in no time. With that being said, let's get into it. It is so smooth. If you want to check out this InDesign tutorial, then I had pasted the link down in the description and in the card on top of this video. If you want to ask me any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. You can also contact me on my email jawadsumro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Sumro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Sumro Studios. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you to learn smooth rendering in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to see more tutorials like this, then you should subscribe right now. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share it with your friends. If you don't want to miss any of my future tutorials, make sure you click on the notification bell icon. I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.